can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste your.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are making Sancocho. What is Sancocho in English? Well, it's like a soup with root vegetables, and it does typically include meat. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a, meatless, vegan-friendly version today. I grew up eating Sancocho with meat. I think like Cubans can call it also like Caldosa. I don't know if that's different. I'm not too versed in like the difference between these dishes, but I'm gonna teach you guys. We're gonna jump right in. And yeah, my attire, I don't know what's going on here. Basically it's winter on my neck of the wood, guys. It wasn't just 85 degrees. Alright guys, so you're gonna need red pepper, onions, cilantro, garlic, plátanos, green plantains, carrots, potatoes, and also some yuca. I use the frozen ones from the grocery store. So this is all we're gonna use to put in the soup. You guys can add any other root vegetable that you like, but these are the ones I use. Usually I'll add malanga, or you can either add sweet plantains as well. Oh my god, they'll give it like a nice little sweet taste to it, but I'm not doing that today, just to keep it basic. But yep, this is what you'll need for the soup. Alright, and to cook it in, I will be using my pressure cooker. This little gem will get the job done, but you can use also like a regular pot. Okay, and we're going to be using Better Than Bouillon non-chicken base. This is a vegan broth. Some tomato sauce. We're not going to use garlic, but I added it there. All-purpose seasoning. Frontier Co-op is my thing. Paprika. Some salt, and then of course we can't forget some olive oil. Gabby, don't forget the olive. Okay, right there. So some olive oil. All right, and then we're gonna set here the temperature to saute, because first we're gonna add our base, which will be some olive oil with the onions, peppers, and garlic. Alright, so here we have the red peppers, onions, cilantro, and then we're gonna add the garlic last, guys, so it won't burn, and also leave some cilantro out because we're gonna add that to the top of our soup. Alright, and right here we have it all stirred in and it looks pretty good. Now we're gonna add our veggies. And here we are. I just saute them a little bit, slightly, not a lot. And now we're gonna add the tomato sauce and stir that in. Once that's done, I'll add the yuca and about 8 cups of water. If you guys want more of a soupier consistency, I like it thick, you guys can add a little bit more water as well. Now I'm gonna add some lentils. This is a great way to add some extra protein to this dish that does not contain meat. I'm gonna add half a cup, which is about 16 grams of protein to my soup. And we're gonna stir it all in and just make sure it all mixes well. Now I'm gonna add the all-purpose seasoning. I already added the chicken broth as well, also paprika, and we'll hold on to salt for last. Now it's all ready. Now we're gonna cover this up and get it started. I cook it on high pressure for about 30 minutes. It may even cook sooner, but I like leaving it for 30 minutes, but I feel like that's a pretty quick meal. Okay guys, so now that's cooking for about 30 minutes. I'll catch you guys once it's done. So it's done. Yum! Look at that goodness. So good. So I don't add salt right when I'm adding all the seasonings and stuff, because our base, the bouillon Is that even how you say it? Am I butchering stuff? Okay, so the broth has salt, and so does our all-purpose seasoning, so we don't want to overdo it. So I just tasted it and it could use a little bit more salt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add salt. Alright guys, gonna try some out. That was like the most unsmooth transition. Honestly, hands down, this is probably like the best thing I make. Like, look at that consistency. It's just like so good. It just tastes so good. I'm not even sick, guys. It's 90 degrees outside. I just really wanted soup, and it tastes amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys try this out, and I hope you like it. You guys have been so nice with all your feedback. I'm coming with more videos. I'm kind of just filming things as I make them, so I'm definitely listening to what you guys are suggesting. So can't wait for the next one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.